Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to have another amazing walk. Yes, as everybody know, it's summer to the northern side, and today's our video will be having a walk in the summer. Okay, my little friends. So then I hope y'all are ready to start today's video. Yes, then let's start now. So I will be taking like a short way around our house, and first of all we are going to take a little shortcut so then you all can enjoy the environment around. Yes, in the summer season you all can see grass, they grow really heavily, and normally we don't get rainy days, but I can't remember, like every morning in this week we had some rain, but there wasn't any thunderstorms or like that. Summer season is really very quiet, and we can see birds and other animals that do migrate in the autumn season. Okay, now we are coming to the top of the hill. Yes, now we are going to walk through the road, and then you will see different kind of flowers, trees, and some of the vehicles that is going on the road. So in the front you can see that's a children park. Normally for there it's not, I don't know is it open 24 hours, but normally every day I see there are childrens in that children park. So you all can see the sky. In the morning it's full of rainy clouds, but in the evening there are a little bit of clouds, but they are not rainy clouds, I guess so. And we can take another shortcut if we go direct to the front, but it is little bit long. Because of that I'm going to turn right and go in that way, then we can easily reach to our destination. This tree is, I can't remember in the English language, but in Finnish language that tree is koivu. Soon I will bring you all a video about those trees and flowers and those nature things. Like in these days are the best days if you are hoping to swim in a river or have some trip to a forest, do some adventures, some kind of those things. It's very well in the summer season. And maybe most of you know that in the summer season we don't have a night time. All the 24 hours we can see sun out in the sky. It's not bright like this, like from 11 or from 12 after in the midnight we can see a little bit light in the sky, because it's not getting fully dark in that time also. And soon like 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock at the AM the sun starts to rise, and then after we get morning, afternoon, evening, and like it's in the night also afternoon, but doesn't count it as afternoon, so we can see it as night. Maybe some of my little friends know this way, because in the previous videos I can remember I walked through this road, but it was the other side, the opposite side of this road, and I'm going to take the shortcut through this road. And I know that like from another 3 or 4 months later, we are having our anniversary of having 1 year for our YouTube channel. So I would like if there is 50 subscribers when it is in the anniversary. Right now I have 43 subscribers, but I hope that I can reach to 50 subscribers during the next month. So I hope that everybody will help to reach for 50 subscribers. And now most of you all will think it is really hot in the outside. Actually no, it is kind of like cool, but it's not hot or cold, just the normal temperature. It's like plus 20 or 25 degrees outside, and the sunlight is not a very hot, but it is kind of hot, and we have to apply sun cream every time if we are having a walk or cycling or swimming or anything, because it is really important. So now I have started gardening also. Those are little plants, they are pumpkin plants, and these are strawberry plants. Like from another 1 month we will have strawberries, and in both of those pots there are spinach. I cannot see still plants have reached, like before 1 or 2 weeks early I started planting those spinach. So then now you all can enjoy my beautiful photos that I took during the walk.